Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday. I'm back at Aldi. I'm going to get my family's week of groceries. I'm doing something a little extreme in my personal life. I'm on a 72-hour fast. I've done them before, and I definitely think it sounds extreme to some. But I am planning easier meals at the beginning of the week because I'm fasting and I don't want to make things elaborate. I, in general, don't want to make elaborate meals on our busy weeknights to begin with. But that means I need to get a unique set of groceries. Let's get in the store, get those easy meals, and some better ones for later in the week. So let's get in, see what I find, and don't forget, I'll share with you my meal plan at the end. Elsie asked me to get her dried strawberries for her lunch this week, $3.49. I'm gonna get the sliced Italian loaf, $3.99. Going with our spaghetti dinner. We're having grilled cheese when I make tomato soup, one of my personal favorite dinners, $1.29 for bread. $1.99 for Gala apples, that's a great price. I'm gonna get those. Apple season here in Michigan. And then these large avocados are 49 cents, so I'm gonna get 4 of them and pray that I can actually eat them when they're ripe and that I don't miss my opportunity. I'm grilling chicken and I've been wanting to make asparagus, and these actually look really good this week, $2.99. $1.89 for mini cucumbers. These go very well in my kids' lunches. We're having Greek bowls and my daughters really like to have kale with it, $3.49. I need more heavy cream for tomato soup, $4.69. I always love when this end cap comes out because it feels like the holidays are coming. The charcuterie shop, lots of good things in here. They have the fig spread, red pepper, and then the onion. I've never had the onion, but I've always wanted to try it, so I'm actually gonna get it today for $2.99. I need 6 cans of this. I love to use this for the soup, 89 cents a piece. Red onions, I'm gonna have this for the Greek bowls. Holy moly, do you guys see all those flies? A little concerning, but I wanna get some that don't look bad. Maybe I will need to get, the flies are kind of throwing me off a bit, and that you can see a lot of them are kind of juicy. So I might wait for the red onion. I'm getting artichoke hearts. I'm so sad I've never seen the salad at my Aldi, and I heard others still have it, but this will be good enough. $2.59. Can't make Greek bowls without Kalamata olives. The jars are smaller though. $2.09. Okay, I'm gonna get these for my daughter Elsie. I'm just gonna put a couple in each of her lunches. That'll last her a while, but she really loves pumpkin spice stuff, and it's fun to put a little sweet in there. So I'll get this for $2.99. Oh, maybe I'll get apple cinnamon for my son for his lunches, $2.99. I'll get 2 of them. I have a bunch of coconut almond milk at home, and my favorite thing to have it with is this granola, $2.65. It's so good. I love it. A lot of our Aldi finds have moved up front. They have some sad looking mums and lots of toilet paper and an olive tree. Lots of fall decor. Oh, and here's what my son has been asking me if it's here yet. I'm not buying any because we need more Halloween decorations, and not at all. But they have them, $12.99. I won't be surprised if he wants to come look at them with me again soon. He loves Halloween decorations. Window clings, patio lights. Ooh, I really like this. Craft organizer drawers. I always think buying organizer stuff is gonna make me an organized person. It never works. That's my little hint for you. I am not an organized person. And fun things just make me dream a little longer that I will be. Oh, crafting kits, airtight pantry. I have containers. I have the OXO brand, love them. There's the leggings. Oh, nice. Wind and water resistant jackets. Those are only $14.99. Really nice looking. Black, green, and blue. Some boots to go with it. Armchair covers. These socks are very soft. They're boot socks. Okay. $4.99. Still have the blankets and the dog. Oh my gosh. Now, I would love if my dog could wear a jacket, but she's already 95 pounds. And I just don't think she would be able to wear one. This one doesn't have, oh, this is an XL. I see the thing up there. I don't know, maybe she could wear that. That is super cute. I don't think it would fit my dog. Okay, it says it has cinnamon brooms here, but oh, they're back there. I don't even smell them. Here's trick or treat signs. Those are $12.99. Cinnamon brooms $3.99. Big umbrellas. Camping chairs. It's 3-in-1 stick vacuum. Lots of fun things. I haven't put my garland up yet. Well, Halloween candy has arrived. Very fun. About between $10 and $20 for the big bags, and then they have the smaller bags as well. Ooh, Fun Dip. That seems like a good 44 of them for $5.98. That seems like a good value. Well, I never made it to get butter elsewhere. I just didn't make the bread I planned to make, but I'm gonna get 2 boxes at $3.29. Glad it's back. I need vegetable broth for my tomato soup, $1.45. I want to make a pumpkin pie, so I'm getting pumpkin can at $1.39 and evaporated milk at $1.19. We are having crunch wraps, which means I need large flour tortillas at $1.95 and tostada shells, also $1.95. Spaghetti, because it's so easy, is once again on the list, and my kids like it way more than I do. Easy while I'm fasting, $1.88 for spaghetti. And they have all their sauces back, so I'm gonna get $1.49 for the tomato basil garlic. I don't know why she wanted farfalle instead of others, but they don't have farfalle, so sorry Mila, I looked, I tried. So my son had a very funny idea to me for an easy dinner. He said, how about everyone can make their own thing, like Easy Mac, which is what he wants, and then well, fruits and vegetables on the side, so probably a salad and fruit to pick from. So kind of build it yourself. He's 7, that was his idea. So when they give ideas, I like to honor it. So Easy Mac or ramen, or we have lentils, leftovers. One of my favorite secret weapons are these basil tubes. It's so good, and it tastes pretty close to fresh basil in my opinion. Not quite as good, but I still really like it, and I use it in my tomato soup. $2.49. Okay, so I'm fasting, and I drink a lot more of these. 89 cents a piece, and there's 5 of them, so yay, I'll get them all. Yay with Greek bowls. We are definitely, and tomato soup, we're definitely making a lot of rice this week. My girls like to put rice under their tomato soup, and it's a nice base for bowls. And they have my jasmine rice bag, $5.59. Okay, this might seem really cruel, but I'm not eating for 3 days, and Aldi comes out with their German desserts, which are literally my favorite things. This right here, the cherry tart, I'm not even gonna try to say that part. I'm probably gonna buy 5 of them. I'm not gonna eat 5 of them soon. I'm gonna eat one this week, but they're literally the best frozen dessert I've ever had. I literally would think this is one of my favorite things I've ever bought from Aldi, if not my favorite, and I'm gonna put them in my freezer. Is 5 enough? $3.89 a piece? I don't know. Okay, I'm going with 6 because 5 didn't seem like enough. I break my fast on Wednesday. I'm gonna let you guess what I'll have for dessert after dinner. This, and I can't wait. I am so excited to have this week. If you've never tried it and you like cherries, get it. The crust on this, the cherry, so good. This spinach and ricotta strudel looks really good. I've never had these, but it would probably go really well with our Greek bowls, but I'm probably the only one that would actually really love it. Lots of yummy looking things here. Germany has showed up at Aldi. They have these different skillet meals, pretzel bites, cheddar, and pepper jack. My husband would like those. Mozzarella breadsticks, garlic nuts. That stuff's been around a while. Ooh, some meatloaf. I love meatloaf, but no one else in my family does, so it's a no-go. Eggplant fries are still here. They have the spätzles. Lots of repeats that have been around a while. Oh, we're big fans of these, but I don't have them on the meal plan this week, and we are going to have from last week the spicy potato wedges. Okay. German potato blend. They have cabbage blend, yummy. And they have the pretzels. I'll go get those on the other side. the pretzels are the same, whether you get the sticks or the shaped pretzels, but we really like these. $4.79. I'm gonna get those. My family will be happy. I've only ever bought these half off, and they were all right, like $8.99. I would never pay full price for them because the amount of pretzel you get is so little compared to the price of what you can get for the big box of pretzels, but they're fun, and it's like a really easy, if you're looking for something easy, this would be it. But look, these remind me of Christmas, all the cheeses. Oh my gosh, I just need to live in cheese heaven. So many yummy looking things. Oh, yum. Okay. I'm getting this horseradish Havarti, $3.29. Yummy, that looks good. I'm not going to eat it for a while, but it's good until February, so I just don't want it to not be here. Okay, so there's a lot of different tzatziki dips. I'm going to get the spinach parmesan for our Greek bowls. Just a dollop on there, $3.39. And then also hummus. Same application, anyone wants to put it in their bowl, or just my kids like to have this with vegetables, $2.49. My children's favorite, the Mexican style, just running low, $2.89. For grilled cheeses, I'm going to get sharp cheddar at $1.89 and pepper jack. We'll go with that. We haven't had pepper jack in a while. Some choices. $1.69. I almost forgot feta for our Greek bowls, and that's like my husband's favorite part, so this is for you, honey. Cauliflower rice. I like to just have this as an option when we have rice. It adds veggies, cuts down on rice, and I love it. $1.99. Okay, I saw these caramels, and I'm actually going to get these for my kids for their lunches instead of the pretzels. I'm going to get pumpkin spice, and I'm going to get the caramel apple, but I need to put the pretzels back. Okay, I'm all set. The only thing I couldn't find, we didn't have mangoes, and that was a specific request from a child, but everything else I found, and holy moly did I hit a personal jackpot. I'm sitting here questioning, is 6 enough? But that'll last me quite a while. I'll probably get sick of them after 6. And this is my cart. Any guess on my total? Okay, wait a minute. Why is this in the clearance bin? $9.99. I was looking for these. I couldn't find it, but guess who's getting this for her birthday? My daughter, Elsie. I'm guessing it's not actually damaged or on clearance. It just didn't sell. She wants another one. She has a real Stanley, and she's going to be excited. Okay, my total is $141.74. But I feel good about my purchases. Okay, here's our meal plan for the week. It's not in any order, but Thursday my husband has a work event where he'll be gone for dinner, and pretty much guaranteed that means I'm gonna make tomato soup. Me and the kids love it, he doesn't, but it's a really simple meal for it to be on all day, and I absolutely love it. I look forward to having that, and after a 72-hour fast, I plan meals that I know I'm really looking forward to later in the week. Tomato soup and grilled cheese, check. When I ask my kids for easy dinner ideas of things that are easy for me that they like weeknights, spaghetti is always a win. My kids just love it. I do bread, butter, cheese, a steamed vegetable, and I actually am gonna make the noodles with olive oil, Parmesan, and spices. And then if anyone wants to put red sauce on, they can, but it goes both ways, whether you want the red sauce or not. Salad, very simple, and I don't have to put out a ton of effort, and it's also a meal I don't care if I don't eat. It's not something I love. This will also be really easy. We have 2 out-of-town volleyball games this week, so that'll be an easy one. Greek bowls, this is what I'm gonna have the night I break my 72-hour fast. I'm not gonna break my fast with it, but it's a meal that I'm really looking forward to. So I have it with beets, cauliflower, rice, Kalamata olives. We make like a dressed up kale. We have the tzatziki, the feta, hummus. Build your own bowl. Mine will be chock full. I also make chicken with that. I am probably gonna grill chicken for this meal and this meal at the same time. I'll just season this differently. I'm not sure how I'll do that, or I'll have 2 different seasonings and grill them at the same time. Either way, I'm looking forward to grilling chicken before we can't. And I have those spicy potato wedges that I bought in last week's grocery haul. We never made them. And I'll probably have asparagus with this meal as well. Crunch wraps. We load them with things like tomatoes, lettuce, sour cream, everything we already have on hand. The cheese sauce. I already made a ton of taco meat last week. That'll be an easy win. It's a little time intensive to build them, but everyone in my family loves them. We can make them how we want. Black beans, very yummy. And I'll have probably white rice on the side with that. Same with the Greek bowls and then the tomato soup. All of them have white rice as an option, so I'll make a ton of it early in the week. We will have a night of leftovers, and then we also have my son's idea of I'll have fruits and vegetables, whether it's a salad, apple, whatever the kid wants, and then they can make a meal with it. Tomato soup is one of my absolute favorite things to make. I made my own recipe. I make it in the Instant Pot. It's very simple. It's delicious. And if you want to see how I do it, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.